Hello friends, my name is Akhil Mahajan. Today I thought to bring a company first source solution in front of you so that you can decide whether this company is really worth for you in terms of investment or not. Let's discuss the company profile. This company is established in the year 2001. Today it is earning a revenue of 51 billion in Indian currency and approximately $685 million in dollar terms. This company has approximately 27,835 employees spread across US, UK, India and Philippines. The company has healthy client base with 50 plus global clients including 17 Fortune 500 companies and 9 FTSE 100 companies. FTSE is basically UK companies, okay, a UK index basically. The company trades in National Stock Exchange as well as in Bombay Stock Exchange. And the segment in which the company deals is banking and financial services, healthcare, communication, media and technology, and diversified industry. Basically, it is building software for the companies in these segments so that they can actually save money by having a right back office, and this back office is helping them in terms of their operation. So this company is basically into software building for this company. Now let's discuss the profit and loss statement of this company that will highlight how this company is actually progressing over the period of time. Talking about from financial year 2016, basically I have taken 5 years data to highlight how this company is growing great in last 5 years. So in financial year 2016, the company is earning a revenue from operation of approximately 32,173 million and in dollar term $491 million. Today in financial year 2021, the company is earning a revenue of 50,780 million and in dollar term $685 million. That is huge, basically a growth of approximately 60-70% in the period of 5 years. So this company is actually growing in a great way in terms of revenue. If we talk about the operating margin of the company is also growing at a healthy rate. The company is earning 3,292 million in financial 2016. Today it is earning a operating revenue of more than 5,979 million. That is actually great thing for the company. It has actually grown over 70-80%. So in last 5 years, that is great again. Talking about PAT, the PAT of the company in financial 2016 was 2,605. Today it is at 3,617 million. That is again a great thing that company is growing more than approximately 40-50% in terms of PAT in last 5 years. Let's discuss the key parameter of the company. The company is generating a return on equity of approximately 12-14%. That is again a great thing for the company. And the return on capital employed is approximately 14-15 and in recently 17.6%. That is again good. If we talk about the free cash flow, the operating cash flow of the company, it is also growing at a very enormous rate. From financial year to, if we talk about the financial year 2017, it was at 1,981 million only. Today it is at 8,921 million. That is actually multifold growth basically. And the debt position of the company is actually decreasing. That shows the strength of the company, that company is able to generate the revenue. From 9,670 million, it has actually decreased its debt to 5,566 million. That is again great thing for the company. Now let's discuss from where the company is actually earning its revenue. So company is dealing into 4 segments: banking, financial services, healthcare, communication, media and technology, diverse industries. So basically I have quarterly result that will basically highlight how this company is actually growing. Talking about Q2 financial 20, the banking and financial services hold 40% of its revenue. Healthcare 35%, communication media 22%, diversified industries 3.1%. Today basically if we talk about the current Q1 financial 2020, so it is earning 51.7% revenue from banking financial services, healthcare 26.7%, communication technology 19.6%, diversified industry 2%. So basically this company today earn major portion from banking and financial services. Let's discuss how company generating its revenue from different geographies. It is spread into 3 parts: US, UK and rest of world. So majorly, if we talk about the recently Q1 financial 2020, the company is currently earning 67.6% of its revenue from US, 31.1% from UK, rest of world 1.3%. So majorly this company is earning its revenue from US and UK. So these are the key market for the company. In order to save the cost, now let's discuss how employees are spread across geographies. Since India is low cost in terms of paying the salary, so it has majorly employees from India. Approximately 70% employees from India, and rest of world hold approximately 30% of its employees. So let's discuss the client profile of the company. This will help us to majorly understand whether the company is able to generate revenue in future as well. Talking about the retention rate, the company is able to retain approximately its clients for 14.6 years. That is great thing for any company, that it is not losing its clients. So this is a great thing for the company, and the company is from 19.8 years in terms of its life. Okay. It has very healthy client profiles. Let's discuss the client profiles of the company. 4 of top 15 mortgage services in US are its clients. 2 of top 6 retail banks in UK are its clients. 6 of top 15 mortgage lenders in US are its clients. 1000 plus hospital in the US. 7 of top 10 health insurance managed care companies in US. 1 of top 3 utility companies in UK. 5 of top 10 credit card issuers in US. Broadcasting and media companies in UK, 1 of top 2. 2 of top 6 telecom broadcasting companies are its clients in US. Okay. So what is basically highlight? This highlight the strength of the company, that this company has really great clients that can retain with the company for long term, and this will definitely generate revenue for the company. I hope you like the presentation, and why I am highlighting this thing is because if you have ample knowledge about the company, you will definitely make money. But that does not mean that you put all your money in one company. We will diversify. You please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get the ample knowledge about different profiles of the company, and you can build a great portfolio for you that will generate revenue for long term. See, don't think about short term, because short term is very fluctuating. We will discuss about these companies because we feel that one of these companies will become multi-baggers for you and create lot of wealth for you over the period of time. So with this intention, we have started this channel, and we will definitely keep on bringing companies for you so that you can analyze, understand about the profile of the company and make a right investment. I hope you like the channel. Also, please, you can open a Demat account with us. That is very low cost in structure, almost lowest in the industry in terms of brokerages. That link has been provided in the YouTube description. Please go there and open your Demat account and have a relationship with us. So thank you for listening to us, and please subscribe to our channel as well so that future videos can come to you. Thank you once again. Have a great day.